Hey guys, welcome to another video. And today we're going to be railfanning Spring Hill, Missouri. Wind railway that I created. So let's do some railfanning. So we were waiting for a little bit and the Spring Hill local shows up to begin switching for the day. Yeah, please leave a like on this video. I just decided to do it because it's not a good day to go outside. It's like almost half of 30-mile-an-hour winds outside. It's horrible, so yeah. Alright, so the Spring Hill local backs up to drop off a couple of cars and then goes forward for more switching. And then he's gonna take these cars. He's gonna set these cars off to the side here. So what he's gonna do is he's gotta pull forward, unhitch from his consist, come back, and hook back up to the consist on the other way. And let's watch him depart. So the small shunt switcher is now leading the train as it departs Spring Hill. So we've been waiting for another 30 minutes and still haven't seen anything, so I'll come back once we see something. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, so we got a train coming here. I don't know what this is. Let's take a look though. A DNSF manifest comes through Spring Hill with an interesting consist. And there goes the end. Here's my dog Gizmo, or one of them. Want to railfan with us? I guess so then. Anyways, back to the video. BNSF Z train races through an area with a DPU. H1 DPU, nice. Alright, so I've zoomed in a little bit. We can see the train coming there, rounding the bend. So the BNSF Z train comes through the crossing, and you get a close-up view of the cargo and the things about it itself, and we can see the DPU up close. We see another train way off in the distance, and that's going to be coming towards us soon. Alright, so here's the train switching tracks to the main line. That's going to go to unload because it is completely full of stuff. And next up is another BNSF train led by, I can't tell, let's see. Alright, so it looks like a war bonnet. Our first war bonnet of the day, really our only rare thing. Nice. Oh, and an H1 too. That's cool. Not too common, but cool. Here's another angle of it. There it is. Coming. Looks like he's slowing down. So then comes through the crossing. He is kind of slowing down though, so I wonder if he's gotta wait for another train, but I actually seem like he's accelerating. Well guys, I'm actually afraid this is the end of the video, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you did, then go down and click that like button if you want. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.